Hello, my beloved Kathinatics. It's me again, Kathy here. Ilocana, Ilonggo, Bisaya. Welcome back to my channel. It's so loud here. I'm with my sisters. They're actually, or we are actually getting ready to go outside because today is the town fiesta here in Luna, La Union. So we're gonna attend their festivities out there, and then meron silang sayawan. So we already got ready and we are ready to leave. Ano lang siya, parang 2 to 3 houses away from the house. So we can hear, if you can hear it, they're already having the music started. And yun. So let's go. Alam namin, sabi niya, Beb, sabi nila, alam namin kung saan ka nakatira pag wala kaming premyo.
We have here Balikbayan,
Wow.
Monico Negrino, and
Sumadar, si ate.
Teka, lalabas kami.
Ay, lalabas siya.
Pakakabahay.
Kaya po.
Ayaw kami.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, anong ginagawa niya? Ay.
Watch and learn.
Ito na ang sambayan ng... Ay, wala, madalim.
Mga sulungera. Team Las Vegas.
Team Las
Watch
Vegas.
and learn. Hello.
and Melody
Ito ako teacher.
Hello, ate.
and si Kuya Melvin Carvajal. Ayan na, Dagitinagduma, Bumarangay, Basipay. Kada dito'y ako sa lunan, umay kayon. Dinamdama, Dani Mayoran, Dini Mayora. We also acknowledge the arrival of Balikbayan, all the way from Las Vegas, United States of America. Very home do it in the person of Mr. Hill Noliar and family. Welcome, sir and ma'am.
Where's your table? Dito daw, Beb. Dito daw, Beb.
Saan ba? Saan ba yung one?
Sir Hill, please join us here at the presidential table.
Oh, where's the oh. Oh, thank you.
Welcome to our party.
Hello. Hello po. Ha.
Kabarangayan. Ang barangay Tiwaki number 2, ano adilawan ng English kami ta. Ada yung bisita sa iyo na nagdako ni US. So dapat na ang English kayo, ang dami tumawatan ng Ilocano.
Where are we going?
Wow! May nagpakitang gilas ni Apo Balikbayanan. At ang papremyo ng damay sa mga sapol, amin na makipartisipa. Dahil ito yung tata, tarugyan tayo.
We're gonna go there?
Yes na!
Doon tayo, ate.
Pinagsasara. Ako kumbo, kay manipatayang timay sa mabalse, para kanitang amin na bumarangay, Tiwaki number 2! Dance for all! Yusuf tayo!
Tayo na.
Oh, listen! Very good! Puro, check! Thank you.
Thank you so much, Visayan Vlogger, for the premio. Happy Fiesta, Barangay Wakinang Rancho.
Ma'am, thank you po. Thank you, ma'am. we are reminded that this occasion is more than just a festive gathering. It is a reflection of the spirit, strength, and unity that define Waki number 2. With our theme this year, Gagat kan determinasyon, kalasag ti inarigat, sang kagimungan nga rapaap maragpat. We honor the very essence of who we are and the collective journey we share toward progress and a brighter future. The journey we are on is not always an easy one. There are times when we are faced with challenges that test our resolve. Moments when the path ahead seems uncertain and struggles that may feel overwhelming.
Naghanap ako ng bulaklak. Akala ko lang ang bulaklak nila.
Mapanahagan ka, hinirang natala ng umaga. Kahit anuman ng pangamba, di alintana sapagkat naroon ka ng sinta.
Oo, siya ba? Malas
Ay, si Ma'am Beautiful, ang bubunod.
Jay Nagapur, Jay Purokwan, awang pala ng claim po. Sino ng solicitor?
Okay, from Purok 3, ang nanalo ay si Uncle Peter Labador.
Wow, congratulations, Uncle. Please claim your prize in front. Ano?
Ma'am Merinol, huwag mo nang ibalik yung pangalan ng paki-throw. Ay, oo, huwag mo na itapon. Organ prize pala yan. And another one from Purok 4, Ma'am 90.
Isa yung Ilocana. Siniswerte.
Nagswerte mo. Purok 4, Awan sa Bali. Mga ni Apong Carlina Nodora.
Congratulations po. Please claim your prize. Ayan, natapagayan ni Malang Oli.
Purok 5.
Onsa or na data, Onsa or na.
Purok 5. Ma'am sir. Ay, Purok 5, Awan sa Bali, Noangani. Kinapintas na kanaka. Saimel, Aguilar, nakatay na rin.
Wow.
Simel, where are you?
Purok Sais.
Wala din premyo natin. Ito eh.
Oh!
Purok Sais.
Kilolar again.
Wow!
Francisco Sibayan Jr., walkie number 2. Pakiklaim po yung prize dito sa harapan.
And the last box. Purok 7. Ay, oh pala, may visitors.
Dapat daw.
Purok 7, we have Madam Erna Kayato.
Wow, swerte, Auntie.
Auntie Erna, ay ni Madam Lily may mga And finally, box of our
Visitors.
visitors.
Dan kami dito eh.
Walang kal.
Ginagato.
Daming visitors.
Ang dami oh.
Ay, wow, Uncle, ijay name.
Sino ang maswerteng visitor? Ay, Awan Sabali from walkie number 1. Ma'am Helen Nerona.
Wow, congratulations po, Auntie Helen Nerona of walkie number 1.
No coaching. For the information of everybody, Apo, deliver kada kayo, awan therapy, 4,300 di premiuda. Therapy na nagkapo, balikbayan, kan other barangay officials. Kan kasama ti RPC, yung Apo Rider. Masapol ko nga may tutuhan ubigatan, Apo, sino tinahigam di premiuda, na dinawag ka tatay kanya. Tata, agay di premiuda